Another student is asking about the practice midterm exam, and this is about using implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line to this curve at the point 4, 6. How we can do it? First of all, let's recall that the equation of a tangent line is y equals mx plus b. It's a slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. First of all, we need to find the slope, and then we can find the whole equation. So, to find the slope, we need to evaluate the derivative of the function at the point 4, 6, at the point 4, 6. So we need to evaluate what will be, and that will be our slope. So the slope, if we find this value, we can find their slope, and then we go from there. So to differentiate, we use implicit differentiation, which means we remember that y is not a single variable, it's a function, and we apply the chain rule to it. So the derivative of x squared 2x over 4 plus derivative of y squared 2y, but then we multiply by the derivative of y because it's a function, and this is where we applied the chain rule. And then we derivative of a constant is 0. So now we simplify a little bit, so you can see we can reduce here and have 2, we can reduce here and get 3, and we can write this down to x over 2, and I separate y over 3 times y prime, because that's what we have. Now we need to solve this for y prime, because our ultimate goal to find this slope in this case, on this step. So we subtract x over 2 from both sides, and then we multiply by the reciprocal of this coefficient, which is 3 over y, and that will look like so. Y prime equals to negative x over 2 multiplied by 3 over y, or we can say that will be negative 3x over 2y. Now we're ready to evaluate y prime at the point. When you evaluate at the point, you can use this vertical line, and as a subscript you put the coordinates of the point. So we plug in here 4 for x, negative 3 multiplied by 4, over 2 multiplied by 6, 6 for y. You see 12 over 12, negative 1. So the slope of this line is negative 1, so we can already write down negative x plus b. Another step, and we will have the answer. So to find the y-intercept b, we will use the point slope form of the equation of a line. Y subtract y sub 0 equals to slope, in our case negative 1, multiplied by x minus x sub 0. What are these x sub 0 and y sub 0? These are these coordinates. This is your x sub 0, and 6 is y sub 0. So let's plug in those. Y minus 6 equals negative x. Then we distribute this negative 1 here, and we distribute negative 1 here. It makes plus x sub 0, which is 4. And so for y, we add 6, and the answer, or the equation of a tangent line at the point 4, 6, will be negative x plus 10. That's what you need to answer. So hope it was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and have a good day. Bye.